Welcome to another episode of Patkai Bus. This is your anchor Jimmy Kangra reporting from Patkai Christian College for the 3-day Campus Film Festival 5.0 presented by TVS Dimapur under the theme Films Transitioning as the Art of Now, organized by the Department of Mass Communication in collaboration with Sony. Our associate partner Bingebox powered by Kaffa Cafe and Toppers Academy as our education partner, digital media partner We The Nagas and printing partner Fingerprints. Our supporting sponsors King Chili, Spicy Corner, Fusion, Bud and Bloom Florist, Kimini School of Music, Dimapur, the Boba Tea, Kibo, and TMS. So without further ado, let's get on with the event. We will be having a workshop on photography and filmmaking by two brilliant instructors from Sony. They are Suraj Kumar Dora, a Sony Alpha specialist, and Muhammad Nur Alam, a Sony C Pro specialist. Hello,
Hi.
can you please introduce yourself?
Okay, so firstly, my name is Krokelo Lehe, but in short, you guys can call me Lele. And then I'm a student from St. Joseph University pursuing my bachelor's in journalism and mass communication, second year, fourth semester.
You've just attended the workshop on filmmaking and photography. What are the new things or interesting things that you've learned today?
The few things that I found quite interesting were the different types of shots, right? And then the cameras and then the videography. So like with the things that I've learned and gained knowledge from today's workshop, I might apply it in my future days because I'm also thinking of starting like an online thing. So like it's gonna really help me, and then I can also share it to my fellow friends and my families, those who are interested. So yeah.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
Hi, Miss.
Hi.
We're here with the Kaffa Cafe team. So, would you like to say anything about the 3-day campus film festival?
Okay, respected faculties, distinguished guests, and dear students of Patkai Christian College. It is truly a pleasure to be part of this 3 days campus film festival, a platform that celebrates creativity and storytelling and the power of visual expressions. We, the Kaffa Cafe team, are proud to sponsor this event because we believe in supporting young talents where students can learn, build, and grow beyond the classroom. Wishing the campus film festival a great success. Thank you and all the best.
Thank you so much. Welcome to the third day of the 3-day Campus Film Festival 5.0. Today we have a workshop on film production by Sir Tyrell, a director from Meghalaya, who also directed the short film The Knowing. We also have 6 movies lined up for the last day, so stay tuned.
We have some kids from our Patkai community today. We want to ask them, what's your favorite movie that you watched today? The Unheard Voices. Why do you like the movie? I like the movie because it deals with a lot of, depression, the hard times of college students, and I like it so that I liked watching it because it might help me one day in my college times. Thank you. Hello, everyone. Today we have a very special guest, Ma'am Smriti Prakash, who is also the director of Inclination. So, ma'am, congratulations on your movie, and also thank you so much for joining us for the film festival. I wanted to ask you, what inspired you for this, for the making of this film?
Actually, my mom is the one of the reason to make this film, and another reason is I live in a village of Duliajan, Altalam Duliajan, where I see lots of the poor women who sacrifice for her child. So this is the main reason this portrayed the characters in this film.
So, the flow of the movie was really smooth. What advice would you give to young aspiring directors?
Because I'm also aspiring director, if you ask me what I would give advice, then only I give them advice. Whatever you do, give your heart to do your work, because when you work something with heartily, then everything will be fine. So, and dedication is very much important. Whatever you do, dedication you need. So dedication and hard work is the another importance of any work.
So you say you're also an aspiring director. Do you have any plans or for your next project or anything?
Actually, we are working on two projects. One of my short film and another is my feature film, which is my recent short film is father's sacrifice. This was my mother's sacrifice, and another coming one is the father's sacrifice, and next is the girl child education, because girl child education is very much important.
Thank you so much. And is there any message that you would like to give to the Patkai viewers?
First of all, I would like to thank Patkai College and Mass Communication Department. Organized this festival is very beautifully, and it is very important for our whole Northeast regions, because and I'm also glad to share our films with these bright creative minds. So I only give it thank you, lots of thank you for Patkai College and Mass Communication Department. Please continue your festivals upcoming years.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
First of all, thank you so much for the time. Yes, indeed, this is my first time directing a movie.
What message did you want to give off while making this movie?
First of all, the list. It is a movie about the vector appointments in Nagaland. So first of all, the list, the movie, it was not planned. It was a different story. But then I came up with the idea that let's do something unique. Let's try to educate the people. And then I started thinking about the real issue, the real problems we are facing, we the students, the youths are facing. So I came up with the idea of the list. So the list is about medical students, the students who appeared exams, but they didn't get due to the other students getting through vector appointments. So the message, what I wanted to show to the audience is that if the youths are united together, we can fight the system and end corruption.
Okay, that's such a beautiful message to show off to the people. As the team coordinator of this film festival, how has it been so far?
Well, as a team coordinator, I will say the event has been going so far so smoothly, and then I'm so proud of my members, my teams, that our planning has come to life. And our challenges was time managing and team coordination, and also we faced like last minute changes, but that doesn't stop us. That has improved us, and it has teach us how to for team coordination and leadership and problem solving.